Alexa, play shovel noises. No, like if we were gonna dig a shovel into dirt, play the noise.
What animal makes this sound?
All right, let's just get to this video. Caution rust. This was sent to us from the Dig Deep Potato Farm in Duluth, Minnesota. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Oh, wow. The Braille shovel. Dear good people at Braille, we are potato farmers in northern Minnesota. These shovels have been passed down through generations of digging potatoes since 1892.
Whoa.
What in the? They are a bit tired now and their lives are dull. So we thought they might like to retire to kickflip heaven. I'm gonna need those Timberlands for this video. They will probably have more fun with you in 15 minutes than in the last 125 years. We call it double shovel. Wait, get ready for this. Dig in. How's this gonna work?
Whoa.
There you go.
There you go.
How many Braille members does it take to put trucks on?
Have we even skated a shovel before?
Nope.
Nope, we have the one on the wall that we broke.
Dude, that
wow.
looks pretty sick.
Yeah. Might be a little bit crooked.
A little.
A little.
Time to go build some character.
I get that one.
You've never seen holes?
You don't build with a shovel, Teddy.
You dig. I already called it out on the kickflip. I don't know if we're gonna be able to kickflip this. It's a 125-year-old shovel, and it's pretty sharp. What in the? I was really digging that, Fetty.
Do you think getting popsicle is immediate castration
Yes.
with this thing?
Well, let's check it out. Right there.
On the nuts.
I'm worried it's gonna get jammed in the middle. You ready? Oh! It's like so scary. Kickflip? Go ahead.
All right, who's gonna try the first kickflip?
Get back on there. You can do that.
How's that?
Intimidating.
That could happen.
That's the one time I wish I was like 3 inches taller. Who the helped?
That for sure can happen.
No,
No?
cannot.
Bet. That's happening.
I told you it could happen, Gabe. It's like, why are you such a hater? I thought for sure they can kickflip that. Carlos like, get your legs out of there.
You don't have to dig deep to know that it's possible. Oh, yes!
How did he do that?
That's my boy.
How did he do that?
Ah. Yes!
Mind exploded. Let's just take a very close look at this. How does he flick it? He even caught it.
Take a gander.
Watch. How did he catch that?
You know what? I think the Alexa training helped him.
I think so too.
Thanks, Alexa.
I was like, yeah, Gabe, you'll be fine.
The best part is that I was literally just talking to Troy about that. If it swipes out, we're dead.
Yeah.
And sure enough.
And it like swings.
What's the scoop on that, Gabe?
Let's just do it on the hubba. That wheel bite is terrible.
You got this, Fetty. Oh! Everyone has their 125-year-old tetanus shot, right? Yeah. Mutant tetanus from
Yeah.
125 years ago.
Total lockjaw.
How did he even drop in?
Fetty, you are the man.
What?
That is the most horrible sound. You got it, Fetty.
It's so crazy. It's almost like a 180 nose grind because the shovel's like fully on there. Man, it's 125 years of rust scraping off. I don't even know what to say anymore.
We can no slide everything.
Anything.
I'm done. I'll give you an ollie, that's it.
The steering's like this, kind of like a ripstick.
What's he gonna do? Is he tree flipping
I
it?
think he's all in it.
Oh, okay.
This is the scariest thing I think I've ever seen Fetty do ever.
Yeah, this is
ever,
really
ever.
sketchy. You remember that top 10 scariest or like most dangerous boards video?
Yeah.
Definitely one of them.
Yes.
For
I mean,
sure.
he can't even ride up to the stairs, let alone off of them.
How scary is that, Fetty?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yep.
12.
Oh, you said 12?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Hi. Daniel, you're in the kill zone, bro. Both Daniels.
You got it, Fetty!
Oh, hey. Oh! I did not expect that.
It's 125 years old! What did you think was gonna happen?
Not that.
I almost feel like they should have put a metal bar in the middle of it, you know, reinforce it.
Why are you and Carlos so good at that?
I don't know. It's just fun. Once you find your balance, you just go. Okay. Yeah!
My foot's slipping.
Yeah, there's a wall here.
There's a wall right there.
Go backwards! I can't do that.
All right, well, that was super, super, super sick. I mean, I don't know what we could have expected. It's a 125-year-old shovel. Of course the wood is gonna break. Of course that's what's gonna happen. So a huge thanks to Dig Deep Potato Farms for this episode of You Make It, We Skate It. You guys are awesome. If you have something you wanna send us or an idea, send it in an email at skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. We'll check it out and get back to you, and we will love to see your board, love to see what you guys got. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and then check out all the other videos in the You Make It, We Skate It playlist. And we'll see you at the April 7th party. First try!